I will be showing this is mica family. In mica family there are two types. One is white mica, which is called muscovite. Okay, and see, this one is white mica actually. And you can see here the layers will come out perfectly. You can see the layers will be coming out like this. And this is biotite. This is a black variety of mica. And you can see the layers here. So this is called perfect basal cleavage. So this layer will come out like this. You see here, this layer will come out like this. So this is perfect basal cleavage in mica family. So in mica family, muscovite and biotite. Biotite is black color because due to presence of little bit iron. And this is white mica. So when you talk about the mica group, what are the specialties? So the layers can be easily, they can come out. So this is called perfect basal cleavage, and it is shiny white color. Thin layers are transparent. You can see the thin layers are very transparent in mica. You can see here, yeah. And this is normally used in the in the electrical industry, which acts like an insulator. Okay, which will not allow the current to pass. That is called insulator. So here in the mica group, it is lamellar form, silvery white, absent, streak is absent, vitreous, uneven, cleavage is present, perfect basal, hardness is 3, gravity is medium, opaque thin layers are transparent, perfect basal cleavage, name of the mineral is muscovite. It is complex silicates of aluminium and potassium. Okay, so it is used normally in the electrical industry. This is the petrological microscope. If you see here, this one is polarizer. So this polarizer is nothing but Nicol prism of calcite variety, which is transparent variety of calcite, which acts like a Nicol prism. So the light enters here. From here it enters to the polarizer, and the light is going from here and it is striking the slide. So when it is striking the slide, and when you are seeing without analyzer, that means now the analyzer is out. This is one more like polarizer. This is also Nicol prism, Nicols. So when you are seeing without, when you are seeing without analyzer, if you see here, now you can see here clearly. Now you can see clearly. Yeah. So this is something. Now I will show you like this. Okay. I will show you. Now you can see here. Yeah. So if you see here now you are seeing with the you are seeing this brown color. What you are seeing, the brown color patch. That brown color patch is nothing but biotite or mica family. So now you are seeing with the analyzer. Now if you are not seeing with the analyzer, now the analyzer is out. This is called plain polarized light. That means light is only entered through one Nicol prism. Now if I am inserting the analyzer, now this is, I am inserting the analyzer. Now if I have inserted the analyzer, now this is then the after the slide, again you are putting one more polarizer. That means this is called crossed Nicols. So in the crossed Nicols, see, now you can see the biotite. The biotite in the crossed Nicols, it is brown color. Even without crossed Nicols, it is only in the plain polarized light, it is brown color. Now you can see here both. So I am moving this analyzer in and out. Now the analyzer is in actually. Now you can see here clearly. Understood? Okay. Now if I rotate the stage, for example, if I rotate the stage, this brown color will become black at this position. That means it will become black at this position. That is called extinction. If it is becoming black at extinction, I will show you 1 minute. Optical properties of basalt. So in PPL and XPL, that means in plain polarized light and polarized light, both show the color. So here both are showing the same color. So this is the speciality of mica. So moderate relief, pale brown in PPL, cleavage seen in
Perfect. Then straight extension under PPL and XPL. So what is extension? If you see under a microscope, when I am rotating this disc, so when you are seeing under this, if it becomes black at this point or straight, so if the mineral becomes black like this or like this, then it is called straight extension. So in the crossed Nichols, if it is becoming like this straight or like this, then it is. If it is becoming like this, then it is called inclined extension. Okay.